y'all, welcome back to Out of the Box, and today I'm opening a box from Rose Beauty Recommends. Antique pieces can be very difficult to find, and that is where online shopping comes in. Often they are difficult to pursue, at flea markets or different stores, and it can just be difficult when you're trying to find that right piece. And that's the reason why Rose Beauty Recommends is here to help you find that unique and special gift that you want for yourself. So anything that you could possibly want, she has on there. And also, if you live in a 20-mile radius in the Houston, Texas area with an order over $50 or more, she will come and deliver your package to you. The website is in the description below. Also, if you don't see anything that you love right now, please be patient as she is constantly adding stuff to her website. Also, you can order mystery boxes from her, and that is what I did. So let's open this, shall we? This is one big box, y'all. Here you go. Oh my gosh, y'all, she put everything in a box. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, I want to open this up first. Look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this brooch. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? That is so drop dead gorgeous. I'm not exactly the brooch type of person, but this is just beautiful, and it would actually look good on almost everything that I have. I'm gonna take it out of the package because I want to show y'all. Oh dear. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. What is in this box? Oh my gosh, she knows I love boxes so much. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this necklace. Oh my goodness. This is just absolutely beautiful. I have never seen anything like this before. That is just so cute. Oh, the shawl. Oh my gosh, is this a shawl? What is this? What is this? I think this might not be a shawl. What is this? Oh, it's a shirt! Hold on, let me find the I need to find the beginning of this. Let me see. Okay, it's like a cover over. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. So like you wear like a black tank top or something, you put this over it. Oh my gosh. And I love the sleeves. I love the sleeves. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh, and this one's a little heavy. Let's see what's in here. my gosh, and she has even more boxes in here. Oh, something's in here. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. That is just so amazing. That is so cool. So beautiful. Okay, let me put this right here. Okay, she has this little box that she taped up. Oh my gosh, she knows me so well to open up a box inside of a box inside of a box. Oh my gosh, she gave me these little earrings, all these little hearts. Those would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Perfect. Because I have to work on Valentine's Day as well, so I want to be dressed very Valentine's-y. Oh, and this beautiful, beautiful bracelet. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, and another necklace. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, it has oh, this has a dragon on it. That is so beautiful. That is beautiful. Put that down. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, there's nothing else in this box. But I'll definitely use this box again. And what is this? Oh, how cute! It's a snowman. Oh, and and she's with a little hat on and some bells around her, and she's holding a Christmas star. Isn't that precious? That is so cute. This little tin is amazing as well. Okay, oh, and this one's heavy as well. Oh my goodness. Let's take the tape off of it. And y'all, she is very careful about packing and making sure that nothing breaks, and so she really does take care of her customers. So when you get your package, you won't have to fear about anything being broken or anything being amiss, because it's packaged so neatly. Oh my gosh, she knows my color. She knows I love pink. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, I am just in awe. I am in awe. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This is how it goes. Oh my goodness gracious. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then the last box that she has in here for me. Oh my gosh. I was gonna turn it upside down. I'm like, no, don't do that. Okay. Let's see what we got here. A little bowl. How cute. That is so precious. Okay. I bet this is a bowl too, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's white. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So we have the white one and the red one, and then we have another one. Oh, here, before you get to the last one. Another cute red one. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the last one that they all fit in. Oh, another white one. Oh my gosh, look, it has little feet. Oh my gosh. It says, oh, they're measuring cups. Y'all. Oh my gosh. They are measuring cups. Okay, this is a 1 cup. And then this is a 1.5 cup. A 1/3 cup. And a 1/4 cup. Y'all, oh my gosh. This is just, and I bake on a regular basis, so this is just absolutely precious. I probably might just let it just sit on the counter because it's so beautiful and so precious. Y'all, oh my gosh, I loved absolutely everything in this box. Also, y'all, please do not let's not to forget to support our small businesses. The mom and pop shop next to you, the designer that's selling their stuff, they have families to feed too, and they need to get food on the table as well. Y'all, please do not forget to support your small businesses, and please do not forget to let's support Rose Beauty Recommends. The link is down in the description below, and you can find almost everything on there. Y'all, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next unboxing. Bye!